Hey there! Today, we're going to tackle a problem related to setting axis limits in a plot. The issue at hand is that we have two different datasets to visualize, namely big data and small data, each with varying ranges of values. Our goal is to ensure that the y-axis limit is always greater than the maximum value present in the dataset. Now, let's dive into the solution for our problem. In the provided code snippet, we are using the ggplot2 and scales packages to create our plots. By employing a custom function within the scale_y_continuous function, we can dynamically set the y-axis limits based on the data being plotted. The breaks_extended function, with only.loose equals true parameter, helps in generating extended breaks for pretty axis limits, ensuring that the upper limit is set above the maximum value in the dataset. This approach allows us to automatically adjust the y-axis limits to fit the data range accurately. Continuing with the solution, we apply the same methodology to the plot for the small data dataset. By incorporating the breaks_extended function within the limits argument of scale_y_continuous, we can ensure that the y-axis limit exceeds the maximum value present in the small data. This process enables us to maintain consistency in the axis limits across different datasets, providing an optimal visualization for the given data. In conclusion, we have successfully addressed the axis limit problem by dynamically setting the y-axis limits in our plots based on the maximum value of the datasets. By utilizing the breaks_extended function with the only.loose equals true parameter, we can ensure that the upper limit of the y-axis always exceeds the highest data point. I hope this solution helps you in effectively visualizing your data. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any questions. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy plotting.